Hey, what's going on, everyone? So, little unboxing here from Shandaman 808 on Whatnot. Took part in a little M2 break this past Thursday. I got a pretty cool truck. There were two different trucks going, both with the chains at the chase. If you're on Whatnot, Daddy Hot Wheels is the one that took down all the chases on that stream. Bought a lot of spots, but two trucks were both good ones. So either way, whichever one you got, it was still a good, still good. Alright. And look at this. Because it was still before Halloween, I got some bonus stickers. Look at that. Signed ones too. Cool. And of course, anytime you buy something from Shandaman 808, you get some pineapples thrown in. 6 gummy pineapple candies. So always get tossed in when you buy something on his stream. Stickers were a bonus. But anyways, let's take a look at the fire. Oh yeah, and just to come this cool Lucky Cat bag. Check that out. You can already kind of see what's in there. Yes, sir. Alright, so let's open this little Lucky Cat bag up. Alright. Show y'all this. Oh yeah, look at this. Whew. Look at that. Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. It's a 1977 Chevy Cheyenne Super 30. Ooh, it's a dually too. Look at that. If I can really get that to show up on here, but it's a dually. Got the dual tires. Oof. Oh, it's got me. Ooh, even on the, this is a Mio exclusive. So it can't, this is one of those ones you can't find in the store. But look at that on the license plate right there. Mio exclusive on the plate. That's cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Oof. Man, look at that front. Nice. Very cool. 9,900. 9,900 of these. Awesome. Very cool. Then the other truck that was available in the break they could have got was the Golf truck. So you bought, there was like 12 and 12 of this, 12 of the other, one of those being the chase for each. Then you bought a spot, and then kind of runs at random. So I was in, because whether I got this one or the other one, they were both good options. So yeah, pretty cool. Awesome. Very cool. And then also real quick, this is because since this is something I also got on Whatnot, I'll go ahead and show this. I won this in a giveaway. There's also a food and drink category on Whatnot, and you can there's giveaways on there too. This is from Study of Sweets. This is freeze-dried Skittles, which I have not tried any freeze-dried stuff, so open this up and try these. Try a couple pieces. Well, I'm gonna try with the grape. I'm gonna go with the grape. These are Skittles, freeze-dried Skittles. Not bad. All right. Still got the Skittles taste, and then instead of being like chewy, it's crunchy. Pretty cool. All right, not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. So, yeah. And then, yep, right there. Now it sends a business card, so I'll show that to you guys. Shanaman 808 on Whatnot for your diecasts. Shows on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Here's the QR code. I'll hold that up if you want to scan that. There you go. I don't think that's been on there before. Yep. Oh yeah, follow him on Instagram. I mainly just post his like show notes of what's gonna be on sale or whatever, but yep. Go check him out. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.